What if I told you there was a disease with a 100% death rate?
I would guess that it's caused by a virus.
Or some microorganism.
It's actually caused, well, by a protein. But how can the nutrient I eat to do this kill me? The answer lies in the chemistry of proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Like when a food label says this, it's saying it has amino acids that your body uses to make the proteins it needs. But for those proteins to work, they also need to fold into very specific shapes, based on the chemical properties of their amino acids. Folding allows proteins to perform nearly every cellular process. But it's also complex. Genetic mutations or abnormal temperatures can influence proteins to misfold, rendering them useless. While healthy cells have some pretty effective defense mechanisms against misfolded proteins, one does not go down so easily. The major prion protein is an important multitasker in nerve cells when it's folded correctly. In the rare case one of these misfolds, it starts misfolding other healthy proteins of the same type. These are now really prions, short for proteinaceous infectious particles. They aggregate in nerve cells, blocking critical signals, and eventually leading to mass cell death in the brain. Now, what do you think would happen if your brain was literally breaking down?
Let's ask this mad cow. His prion disease guarantees his death. And look, it's happening rapidly.
But he was a cow after all. What if I ate him? I would catch his deadly prion, as the protein is identical across most mammals. But I could also contract my own prion randomly. Then it's called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. In all cases, these diseases are 100% fatal, with some terrifying symptoms. But they're also extremely rare, so why do they matter? Well, despite their catastrophic effects, prion diseases still have no remotely achievable cure or treatment. But let's look at that like this. If a breakthrough does lead us to a cure one day, it will be truly extraordinary.